Hi everyone, welcome again to the course of agent-based modeling. Now we will start our first social simulation for infection propagation. So we have agents and each agent has a data which is its ID, and there is a Boolean data type if it is infected or not. So two data types, and it has a method. So an agent encounters with an other agent and they handshake. When they handshake, actually disease propagates from one to another. So if one is infected, it infects the other one. So we will have a world class also. So we have an agent class and we have a word class. And word class is a list in which we have population of agents. So this is the data and we have a method for run. So this is the very basic social simulation. Okay. So in our world, we have population of agents. So this is agent A, agent B, and we have many agents. So one agent has ID. So who is this agent? Is he infected? So this is the other data type. So we select two agents, for example, agent A and agent X. And if one is infected, it will infect the other one. So this is the process. Okay. So this is our class for agents. As we told you about, it has an ID and it is a Boolean data type if it is infected or not. So if you don't give any value, default value is false. So nobody is infected initially. Okay, and handshake, this guy makes a handshake with another agent. So if other agent is infected, this guy also gets infected. So very simple agent. It has two data types and one method for handshaking. Okay. So let's see a very basic example here. So this is an agent. It is Uzay. So this is the name of the agent. So it has some ID. So there is no infected false or true. So default value is false. So Uzay is not infected. But we have another agent, Hassan. It has some ID, but he is infected. So we look if Uzay is infected. We see that. So let's run here. Uzay is not infected. Hassan is infected? Yes, he is infected. Now Uzay will make a handshake with Hassan, and Uzay, we will see that if it is infected or not. So let's make another agent here. So for example, Ayşe. Okay, so he is ID 1. Okay, so I will run this thing. So Uzay is infected. So let's see Ayşe infected in this code block. Infected, even Hassan infected. Let's see it also here. So we see that Uzay is not infected, Ayşe is not infected, but Hassan is infected, true. So I will, if I shake my hand with Ayşe, it is no problem. I'm still not infected, but if I handshake with Hassan, actually I get infected. So so we have seen agent class. We will see our word class. So this word class will be composed of population. It has a population, and this population composed of agents. And we will select two agents. And if one is infected, the infected will propagate from one agent to another agent. So suppose nobody is infected but this guy. So this guy has the first infection. So if you encounter with this guy, actually, for example, X encounters with Z. If they handshake, X gets the infection from Z. So by the time, what we expect is the number of infected agents will grow in the population. So this is what we expect. So in the next lecture, we will see our word class. So see you in the next lecture. Okay.